Hi everyone, this is Pat in the paper closet. Well, today's the day. Today's the day we're going to do the drawing for the winner of one of the 3 books that I showed you in the video. The official video where you left your comments. And now we're going to pick the winner. I just want to thank all the people that have subscribed to my channel. It's amazing. I appreciate you all. And I hope you're getting something out of my videos. My goal is to inspire people to make their own project. When you watch one of my videos, I hope you see something in there that gives you an idea. Whoops, sorry, that's my phone. I hope it inspires you to make something of your own. That's what happens with me. I'll watch a video, I'll watch what someone's doing, what they're making, and I get an idea of something I want to make. So I hope this happens for you. I don't expect people to exactly copy what I'm doing, but I like to show what I am doing. I think it's much easier to learn by seeing someone make something than by trying to read instructions. I think that's true of any craft or anything where you're making something, even cooking. But that's my goal. So if you've learned anything from me, please let me know. Now lately, I've been very lucky. About 2 weeks ago, I only had 382 subscribers, and I made a video. It was called Turn Copy Paper into Glassine Ephemera. And within a few days, I had 99 more subscribers. It was amazing. Made me so happy. So it's a good feeling when you get someone to subscribe. You know that they're watching and they're understanding and you're helping them. Okay, so I think we should get to it. Now what I'm going to do, behind my little background paper that I used in my videos, I had the screen for the YouTube random comment picker. Now we only have 5 comments on our video, but that gives your odds, makes your odds a lot better. 1 out of 5. Someone's gonna win. So when I pick the winner, or when I have the program pick the winner, you'll see it in a minute. You have to email me with your full name, your mailing address, a U.S. mailing address, no post office boxes, and your choice of which prize you pick, 1, 2, or 3. They were shown in the video, the official video. So you get to pick one, and you'll include that in your email, and I'll mail it to you. Okay, so let's give this a try. I've never done this before. I've never used this comment picker before, so bear with me if I mess it up. We may have to try again. Okay, so I'm just going to remove my little paper here. And there it is, YouTube random comment picker. Now I've already copied the link to the video that has the comments on it. Now I'm going to hit fetch. Choose a filter. Okay, I don't want to include replies. And I don't want to allow duplicates. We don't have that problem. And now I'm going to press continue. Okay, now you ready? I'm going to pick a winner. Here we go. Oh, that was quick. And the winner is TBRC Spirit. Congratulations. It says, congratulations, that is wonderful. I would love to see an idea book or some kind of ephemera. Oh, that was your response. Thank you anyway. Okay, let me close this up. We have our winner, TBRC Spirit. So you'll have to email me. That's my screen. See, here's my subscribers. That's my number. You have to email me your full name, your mailing address in the U.S., no P.O. boxes, and the choice of your prize, 1, 2, or 3. And then you'll receive your book in the mail. Oh, thank you very much for taking part in this little contest that we did here. I hope you like my videos. Like I said, I love making them. A lot of work goes into it. I give a lot of credit to all these content creators that put up 4 or 5 videos a week. It takes a lot of work and a lot of prep, a lot of preparing to do a video. So I really appreciate what they do. I learn a lot. Okay, so thank you for coming. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoy your prize, TBRC Spirit. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.